Sunlight fills the room as Mirha jolts awake, her eyes wide with sudden panic. Frantically, she pats around her pillow, a desperate search beginning. Her small hands search under the covers, but the comforting presence is nowhere to be found. "Where's my doll? She always sleeps with me," Mirha cries out, her voice filled with distress. Ami Mom's gentle voice offers reassurance. "I don't know, Beta. Dear, maybe it fell somewhere. We'll find it." Hussain quietly slips out of the house, with his Abu walking beside him. The air vibrates with the sounds of vendors and shoppers as they arrive at a bustling toy shop, with sunlight glinting off colorful displays. "Ami, I need to get a new doll, exactly like the one Mirha Api loved," Hussain exclaims. Abu smiles, supporting his son's loving gesture. They search every store, their hopes slowly dimming. Despite their efforts, they can't find the doll, leaving Hussain heartbroken. In the crowded toy shop, Abu and Hussain drag their feet, their shoulders slumped in despair. Just as their hope dwindles, Abu's eyes light up with sudden excitement. "Hussain! Look, it's the same doll!" Abu exclaims, his voice ringing with renewed optimism. Hussain's face breaks into a radiant smile as he proclaims, "Allah! God helped us find it!" Hussain clutches the doll, his beaming smile reflecting the joy of knowing his sister will be happy.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.